can see, my car's pretty bare. It needs a whole new interior. So I decided to redo it all, and I did all new foams, all new vinyls. It's very nice, Legendary Auto interiors. Did take me a while to get all the old material out. Some of the hog rings were hard to remove, but with the right pliers, I was able to get them all out. It did take me a while, but once I figured it out, it just was a little time consuming. These are the tooling that I used. The wire wheel is not shown, but there are several pliers, some hog ring pliers, 14, 16 gauge hog rings, extension, interior glue, and Black & Decker saw to cut the foam. But yeah, as you can see, I continued this assembly. I did all the both front bucket seats and the rear seat. I stripped them all to the metal. It was just the way to go. I got the kits from Legendary Auto Interior. You can see I started adding all the burlap, new foam. I decided to do all new foam, all new vinyls. It's just might as well, as bad as my seats were. I redid it all. As you can see, my C frames were pretty rusted out, so I decided to get a wire wheel and get as much of it off as possible. I wanted to make these look as good as possible. They were a little rough looking, so I decided to use some leftover POR 15 rust encapsulator that I used for the interior. This thing is awesome. I'm going to use a lot of this going forward. It's just so easy to brush on, and it makes the metal look brand new, which is amazing. The work that it does, especially with rust that is starting to rust out and makes it look brand new. As you can see in the video, what a difference is already making, and it hasn't even dried out. And when they dry out, it looks even better. It's just amazing. I 100% recommend everyone to use this product, especially if you want to go the fast, quick, easy, cheap route. This is the way to go. You can always be blasted and do it professionally. If you're doing it at home, I don't see why you want to go this route. I will advise, make sure you wear rubber gloves. I did it in this video and it took a while to get some of this off my hands, but outside of that, this product is amazing. So here I am. I started the front bucket seats. Had already completed the rear seat. There's so much to learn here, but as I mentioned before, I just follow the instructions on the Legendary Auto Interior YouTube videos, and they just made it so easy. So I followed pretty much everything they said step by step. So you should be okay if you do that. I just used a Permatex headliner carpet adhesive. This thing worked out great. I was afraid that it wouldn't work out fine because the one on Legendary Auto Interior, they used a air spray connected to compressed air. I didn't want to do that, especially in the house. This can worked out phenomenal, so I recommend y'all do that. Another thing I would recommend is make sure that you have both type hog rings, the 16 gauge and 14 gauge. The smaller hog rings are faster and you can use those for the burlap, but if you're going to go through foam, it's nice to have the bigger hog rings. And I did use quite a bit. I would like to say I probably used 200 hog rings, ballpark estimate. I used a lot of them. I did have some left over, but I did have to order some more in between. I used the hog ring pliers, two different types, some that are speed hog ring pliers, the DeWalt ones. Then I just ordered some other ones through Classic Car. I ordered the heavier duty hog ring pliers. As you can tell, this Black & Decker brad cutter, I'm amazed how good it worked out. But I didn't want to pay $400 for the actual upholstery saw. But this thing was like $20 or $30. I can't remember, but it worked. It did the trick, and now my wife can use it in the kitchen. So I recommend everyone to just go that route if you don't have an upholstery saw. As you can see, I got all the measurements, got the center lines to go ahead and tie in the hog rings into the center of the burlap. This kicked my butt, I gotta be honest with you. It was very hard. You'll see in the later videos, I actually had my wife help me on the last ones. I recommend just two people. One, kind of get the foam spread open as much as possible. You have to get that all the way in and hog ring it in. These are one of the things that if I could go back, I would probably have help just the whole time. It just looks cleaner. You can get it tighter. It gives the illusion that the buttons are pressed in. You'll see later in the see what I'm talking about. Some of them look deeper than others in the final product. That's just because I was learning how to do it. These are the ones that if I were to do this again, I would say I would do a better job. But yeah, that one was a butt kicking. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Those that haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give me a comment. Please keep in mind, this is the first time that I have ever done this. There was a lot of lessons learned that did not turn out perfect, but it looks way better than I expected, and I'm happy with the result. If I were to do this again, it would come out way better. I actually enjoyed it. I was a little intimidated at first because I never done it before. I learned so much, and I encourage every single one of y'all to do y'all's own. But again, I appreciate y'all watching. God bless.